I do many things. Okay, let me keep it for simple. Okay, and see, I have 18 plus years experience in the data side. Okay, I work as a data consultant, database consultant. I worked on bit of modeling previously, almost 7 8 years back. Okay, and also I'm a data visualization consultant, a Tableau consultant. Previously, I was working as a Tableau consultant in my previous role. Now that role has been completed, but the same because I'm working for a full-time employee. The same company, they offered me a data modeler role. They are working on the enterprise architect, the SparkX.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now because I'm into the data modeling thing, right? I would like to know few things, especially in the cardinality, the parent and grandchild relationship, okay, and how the the foreign keys and primary keys will join. Those things I would like to discuss, okay, and those points, Madhu. This is
Yeah.
the main basic of this one. I think Madhu has disconnected the Ganesh.
Is joining back.
Ah, okay.
Wait, I'm sorry. Somehow my connection got disconnected.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, Madhu.
Yeah.
Not an issue.
So yeah, before starting the project, let me introduce myself. So I also come from the similar background, whatever you have told, right? I do have
Mhm.
around 18 plus almost 18 plus 18 years of
Okay.
experience. Worked with various corporate IT companies like Tech Mahindra, cyber sites, mesh technologies, and
Mhm.
device. And
Mhm.
presently, like I'm doing the freelancing, but I do have a couple of offers with Qatar Airways and everything.
Mhm.
So at the time I'm just working as a consultant from UCO back as a
Oh, okay.
data past 2 months. Okay.
Oh, that's nice,
Coming
Madhu.
coming to the data, like I've been involved in all the areas
Mhm.
as a consultant, as an ETL developer or ETL architect,
Mhm.
data visualization. So I come up with more on the data visualization like Power BI, OBI,
Mhm.
Tableau, and more with Vibe.
Mhm.
Similarly with data ingestion tools like Oracle Data Integrator,
Oh,
Informatica, and Google. I do extensive of modeling tools like Edwin, ER Studios, Visual Paradigm, etc. So basically, I'm very much well versed with ER Studios, Visual
Mhm.
Paradigm, etc.
Mhm.
Since
Mhm.
visual modeling is like a license version, most of the companies they don't offer it. So we generally go with those things. But on the top, the company whoever offers, we go with the ER Studio because that is one of the
Yeah,
existing
yeah, yeah.
long run
That's true.
one, right? Yeah. Coming to the scope, so basically like when you talk about the cardinality or the relationship or the what do you call it, the relation model, right? Basically, as per your concern, I understood that you are more on the relational database where you
Mhm.
want to get parental hierarchy, right? That's what the most thing what you want, and you need to understand how the cardinality works between the
Mhm.
different. So is that only visualization level or it's your because see, there are two factors, right? One is that your royalty fee, the transactional layer, other is your analytical layer, right? Generally, if you ask me, as an ETL consultant, we to pull the data, load the data into our staging layer, the ranking layer, do the transformation. That is one part. And
Mhm.
there we come up with the different data mart, data lake, whatever we call there, I mean, EWD, whatever it is. And
Mhm.
then we come to the whole app, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah, yeah.
challenge, there are certain challenges, there are certain merits and demerits, right? My,
Um,
my,
Madhu,
my person,
like your voice is a bit of cracky, Madhu. Like I can't hear completely because instead of echo and this one to me.
no, 1 second, because I'm on speaker. Let me come out
Yeah,
of the speaker. 1 second.
Can you
yeah,
connect any ear?
Hello.
yeah, yeah, Madhu.
Now that's okay, right? Is it okay
Yeah,
or
yeah.
still
Now it's much better.
yeah. So what I'm saying is even it's very heavy That may be a reason. So you may feel some echo from outside. Uh, so what I'm saying is, when we talk about the requirement, are we
Mhm.
very clear about the use cases and the scenario what we have to get
Yeah,
it
yeah,
done?
I have those things, Madhu. I am happy to share my screen as well to you while we are discussing. Okay, and see, um, it's like both training and you can consider it as work support as well. Both consider like that only. Okay,
Okay.
just sharing my screen. Yeah, I think you can see my screen.
Yeah, right.
See, currently I'm working on a project called a pharma project. Okay, where a company provide the licenses to its clients and its distributors. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So, so I am working on the part called licensing part. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
in the licensing part. Okay, so whenever the customers, okay, they want like already registered customers, they want to see an certificate. Okay, so they would like to see what are the information is available in the certificate. Based on the certificate, they are going to they export the certificate. They print the certificate with the product name, what is the medicine name, what is the product, where the product has been generated, those stuffs. I can show you the other stuffs.
Yeah, yeah, understood. Yeah. On a high level, I understood that. So basically, you're trying to get this license.
That is true. That is true. That is true. That is true.
But one thing, tell me, when you do this activity, do you think
Sorry.
that there is STD involved?
No, no, your voice is still
What
I'm
I'm
not.
asking, when you're talking about the license or the certification, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you think any STD, the flow change dimension, the role play dimension are
Madhu,
required?
again, your voice is not
Yeah,
clearly audible to me.
can you just give me 5 minutes? What I do, I'll connect on the laptop
Yeah, yeah,
with
please.
the. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll connect on the laptop.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. Ganesh, his voice is a bit echoing, Ganesh. Sorry, Ganesh.
Yeah, actually, I think his voice is not so clear.
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
Hello.
Yeah, Madhu.
Yeah, can you hear me now? Is it okay?
Yeah, Now this
Sorry,
is
I
perfect.
connected to mobile, so
Yeah. That's what I believe. Yeah, it's perfect, Madhu. It's
yeah,
perfectly all
yeah. So can you just show share your screen?
right.
So okay, what I'm asking you rather is
Mhm.
you are talking about the licensing part or the certification of the end
Mhm.
user, right?
That's true.
Right. So basically, when you talk about a licensing or a certification,
Mhm,
that
mhm.
could be more like a slow change dimension, right? The
Yes.
licensing can change in a periodical manner, right? It can
Yeah.
be one time, it can be one time, or it can be a regular pattern, right?
Yeah. See,
Hmm.
like today you will be there in one address. You may change it to tomorrow some other address.
Right. Yeah. And for each thing, you will have multiple certificates also.
That's
It
true.
could be
That's
one, it could be
that's
one
true.
to many, right?
One to many.
So
Yeah,
the
yeah.
way you are doing it will be a one to many relation, the cardinality, right?
That is true. That is true.
Yeah.
That is that is true.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So see, my questions will come into picture. Example, okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's consider we have these two tables. Okay, one
Mm-hmm.
is we have a service type. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because consider these two table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me. Okay, this is export certificate and service type table.
Mm-hmm.
We have joined based on the primary key value is service type. Okay, we have a service type. See, we have a standard this one service type underscore sk. Any primary key or secondary key we ended with sk. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and column names will be ended with this one. Okay, so we have a service type sk, and here we have the foreign key.
Mm-hmm.
We connect this one here, this one. So I want to understand. Okay, I think this is the target and this is the source. No, this is the source and this is the target.
No, no.
So.
The way it looks like is your
Mhm.
service type would be a drill down. If you look into the application,
Yeah.
okay, service
Mhm.
types are the drop down values.
That's true. That's true. We have two options.
Yeah.
Service type, like, okay,
So
service
basically,
type.
yeah, when you are joining your service type to your so-called transaction table, whatever the table it is, on the
Yeah,
left-hand side,
yeah.
it's more on a normalization level,
That's true. That's true. You're
right?
right. Yeah.
Now you need to understand whether
Hmm.
when we talk about the normalization, right,
Hmm.
we talk about 4NF, 5NF also, right?
Yeah.
Now, when you talk about a multi-value
Hmm.
dependency, this is a multi-value dependency, right?
That is true.
When you
See,
have a multi, hmm,
I need to choose one value in this one. They have
hmm.
multi-value. I need to
I
choose
got it.
one
So
one
yeah,
value.
I understood. So what my question to you is, when you propose this solution,
Hmm.
whether you have proposed that okay, we can go for a normalization or
Hmm.
for a denormalization. See, the normalization is more on a snowflake level. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you ask me,
Hmm.
I would say okay, we can go with the star model also,
Hmm.
where I can see a data redundancy,
Hmm.
but I'll not store my value, but
Hmm.
I'll store my value corresponding ID.
Yes. Yes. You're right. You're right.
Right? So,
Yeah.
my dim table or the fact, the bridge table, whatever it is,
Hmm.
my dimension table is a service type table. And my
Yeah.
transaction table, let's say on the left hand side is the transaction table.
This is
Now,
a trans.
yeah,
Yeah.
what I do in between, I'll create one bridge table,
Mhm.
which will call with your service type table and this one. But your service type and your
This is the
yes,
main table.
right,
Okay.
right.
So I don't want to connect this service type value directly here.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I have created the bridge table, this one.
Hmm.
So this value don't have directly this one. Those will be fed through this table.
Yeah.
Okay. So you whatever you said is 100% correct. Okay. We are looking for initially I joined here, but now because not only this, there are many other things I need to join here as well. Okay, I need to add more items here instead of putting everything into one single table as per the normalization form. So I need to go back and put one more child table through the child table, I'm feeding the values.
Right. Yeah. See, I understood this. You're going in a normalization way. What I'm saying
That's
is,
true.
hmm, what I'm saying is, don't create any relation between the right and left table here with your
Okay.
export certificate and your service type table.
Okay.
See,
Then.
the reason why what I am saying is,
Mm-hmm.
when you join these two tables, are you getting duplication, data duplication?
No. No. No.
No. But you will be getting multiple rows, right?
Yes, one product you'll get either they can choose only one.
Right. So
Yeah.
now, so what you are doing, instead of doing this, what I'm saying is, if you have the fact table on the top, right,
Mm-hmm.
there you
The,
should bring the service type ID.
no, no, that's what
And
initially I added in this table only, but my other data model suggested to put into the new table. You don't want to overload this table. That's
so,
a
what
main.
is the? Did you ask what are the consequences if I do that?
So because see in one what are the requirement is there, right? It is having a
Mhm.
multiple values, multiple things will be there. So that's what he suggested to create a child table. Through child table connect this one.
So
That's what.
basically, yeah, basically this type of configuration tables you can have
Mhm.
multiples, right?
Yeah,
Let's say
yeah,
you have
that's
an account type, everything, right?
yeah,
With
yeah.
my experience, okay,
Mm-hmm.
with my experience, what I used to do is
Mm-hmm.
I will not create any child table like this. On the right hand side, you have a
Mm-hmm.
service type table, category table, subcategory table, something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of this table, I create two tables. One is the master table, other is master configuration table, other master configuration detail table.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Your master configuration table will have a service type,
Mm-hmm.
one,
Mm-hmm.
okay. But the corresponding values, the multi values will store in your
Mm-hmm.
master configuration detail table.
Okay. Okay.
So what I'll do, I'll just connect my ID of that particular master
Mm-hmm.
detail ID table. I'll bring it in my fact table.
Okay. Yeah, got
So
it.
all this, whatever the joining you're doing here and there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Directly, I'll call that with one single take column. That is
Mm-hmm.
master detail
Okay.
config ID.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that you'll have multiple values.
Yeah,
That
I
is
got it.
one way. But
Okay.
see, this is at a very high level what I'm saying because I
Okay.
haven't seen the data. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true.
Without data, without the permutation combinations,
Mm-hmm.
it's early to suggest you what to do. Okay, from my side.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
my thought process, what I'm saying, because
Mm-hmm.
nowadays nobody is talking about worried about dimension to dimension model.
Okay. Okay.
People only talk about dimension to facts. They
This
don't
is
want.
yeah, this is LDM model.
Yeah.
Yeah, Madhu. This is LDM model. Okay. So this is what they have actually when I discussed with last week Friday. This is
Mm,
what he come back with to me saying that you can join because I did this one as you said. I did this one the service type under this table only, and
mm,
he suggested to create a new one here. Okay. So
mm.
just I would like to understand from that point. Okay. So let's say the values, the main values, this is the drill down table because it is having the values like where urgent service, normal service, priority service, like those kind of a values will be there here. Okay, so this is a considered as a target table or this is considered as a source table, right?
This is
Which is
so your left hand side, your right hand side is always a master table. List
this
of
is the
values.
master. Okay,
List of
list of
values.
values. Okay, so when we are doing the connection, so we always go from master to
See,
uh,
parent or master to transactions, whatever it
master.
is.
What always we go from master to transaction.
Mm.
So this is it is having only one value. What it means this both the lines represent is both are one to many, right? We are doing
One to many.
one to many application.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now here there is one more character rather.
Mm-hmm.
In this model, you should
Mm-hmm.
ask him whether I
Mm-hmm.
want to retain the historical data or I want to have only latest data.
Okay.
Now, now the scope of SCD1 and SCD2 comes into picture.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
When it
yeah.
is SCD1, I just overwrite it.
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
I just
Okay.
only overwrite. It's like a telephone number.
Mhm, mhm. No, no, no. I will explain you to that one. See what happens, Madhu. Okay. See, these are the things. It will be stored in the database self. Okay. I will. I think. What I can do. One second. Mm. See, this is our requirement, Madhu. Okay.
Yeah, this is the data dictionary. I got it.
Yeah, data. It's data catalog. What we say. How to unhide all the columns?
No, go to the filter on the left. Alt.
No, alt are they avoided few columns. Just I will show you that one. See, I'll 1 second, Madhu.
Hmm.
1 column is there.
Just right click.
How to unhide the column? Like,
No, there only. Right click and then you do. Just right click and show there would be unhide column option.
yeah, right column is there, unhide column.
No, so select that row. Select that row. Select the tuple there.
Mm-hmm.
Column header. Just select the entire row there.
Okay.
Do right click. Increase the just increase the column length there. Click on hide rows 1 minute. Hide rows. Just click on hide rows once.
No. I trust me to write everything.
No. Just click on hide rows once.
Yeah. Mhm.
See, from C to L, in between C to L, right?
Yeah.
I can see there is.
Where it is? Okay. Anyway, I think I'll go on first values. Okay. See what happens is, okay. See, this is the service. Okay, they are application forms like this. I'll show you 1 second. See, they have an application form this. Okay, so they have to fill the application form. When they fill the application form, so okay, they have to choose one of the this one. See, they have to select one of the service. See, this is the complete
Flowchart, yeah.
flow chart. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the complete. Okay. See, what they say is, Madhu. Okay. See, in the certificate, okay, they have to select the service. Once they select the service, let's say they select standard or the urgent. Okay. Then what they will do is they will go back to the next one. Like they will select the address of the organization where they have to this service is required.
Right.
Okay, then they select the we need to map these things in the model.
No,
Okay, we need
yeah, I'm understood. Now, can you go to the front end one? Front end application, right? The one you're showing, right? The flowchart, what I told the flowchart. These are the page navigation 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
that's true.
Now, do you have a information how
Mhm.
this table connect to this table? So this is a page,
Yes,
right?
yes,
This
yes,
is a
yes,
segment, right?
yes.
Each has a segment. So
That's true.
this segment, how you are connecting, what are the tables? Do you have the list? Do you
Yes,
have a
yes,
year diagram, complete year
yes.
diagram of this workflow?
No, there is no ER diagram. I will tell you. Okay.
You have the list of tables, at least for
Yes,
all this.
yes. Okay, because they already done. Okay, coming to the your part, this part. Okay. let me show you on this part. See, this is we have connected via this table now. What is the service type?
Yeah, right.
Okay, we are connected via this one that is completed. Okay, going to the next one, it is about name and organization address. Okay, so here what we are doing is, okay, for the name and connection address, so this is only the next part of this one. This is a licensing. We have an organization name, we called as a organization, party
Uh,
organization. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, so we have connected over the, you can see here, organization party.
Yeah,
We have
got it.
connected from the same that submission table.
No, that is okay. This is one to one. The
Yeah.
challenge here is with address. Do you have address types? Do you have
Yes.
address type?
Yes. See,
Show me the address type.
you can see here we have an trading name, business address, communication
Ah, right.
we
Yeah.
have it.
So this
So
is the type of address. You
yeah,
have different types of addresses which are in line.
that's
So
that's true.
are they flattening the record? The tuple they are flattening or they are more getting into
So
multiple
what
entries?
see, they didn't connect directly to the organization table here. Instead
Mhm.
of that, they have selected an organization selection one. One second, I will show you. Communication person. Yeah. See, they have come via this table. Directly they didn't go to the address table. Instead of address, they have organization physical address they have connected. That's the what about the you said, right? The one more child
That,
table.
that
They
is
have
your official address.
yes, official address. From this, they went to the directly the physical address.
Yeah, yeah, got it. Yeah. So
Okay.
basically, and there could be a chance your official address and physical address could be same.
Yes, it may be. It may be. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
And the next one, okay, this is all okay. These are
Mm.
all okay. Uh, see, the next one, when this one, like you can see in this one, okay,
Mm.
see, they will type an a manufacturer license number, okay,
Mm.
or something, okay.
Okay.
So that manufacturer license number should select, okay, where what exactly it will do. One second.
Is this manufacturing line is a unique one or identical?
Unique one.
Unique. Okay. Got it. It's a
So
such. It's a such pattern, sir. Such
yes,
pattern. Yeah.
search pattern. Yeah. Okay. They will select that one. They will go for the company license holder name. Okay.
Hmm. Got it.
So we see what we need to do is for each one we need to take and we need to map it into the this one, this place.
Got it. Yeah. Understood.
Okay. Because most of the tables I know where exactly they'll come from. So what we need to make sure is we have to
See,
um,
basically,
uh-huh.
this all should fit in one model. Basically,
Yes, you're right.
this all should be in one model.
Yeah,
And in future, if any enhancements comes or any requirement comes, you have to
yeah,
upgrade your model.
yeah.
So your wish table will be in merge concept, which is like an insert or up scenario,
Yeah,
and your
yeah,
dimension table will be one-time activity. What you do? Got it,
yes.
sir.
You're absolutely right. You're
And
absolutely
do you have the timestamp? Do you have the project milestones or project roadmap or project technical map? Something the timelines. When this particular use case has to be delivered? What is the
No, actually,
dependencies?
no, there is like we need to deliver this week only. So I know how to do that one, but I'm just confused mainly about this relationship. Okay. So what they suggested to do is they ask us to do the through the see they ask us to do from a parent table to the grandchild table.
Yeah, right.
So this is a main table. So I have created a parent table, the child table. For
Mm.
that child table, create a grandchild table. Through the grandchild table, connect to the manufacturing site.
Yeah, right. No, I got, yeah, your drill down. you're going at a very granular level, and not
Yes,
with a
yes.
grain or something.
Actually, one person is working since last 2 3 years. He's having more knowledge. He suggested to go based on this.
No, no, yeah. See, basically, what happens, no, most of the modelers, they go with the normalization way because
Okay.
that will not have much impact. The only
Yeah.
problem is querying the database and retrieving the information.
Okay.
Some
Okay.
modelers will go with the star schema or the dimension models.
Okay. Yeah.
So the objective would be differs between a
Mm-hmm.
reporting and a DQ, I mean, or a data analyst, right?
Okay.
If I want to know the insights of the complete data, I
Mm-hmm.
would go for a dimension model, star schema.
Yeah.
I just only want to visualize or publish the report. I'll go with the model what they have done now.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Okay.
so that would be the requirement. So the requirement would scatter.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
Yeah.
if you are okay to go with only normalization module, this will be much simpler by drilling down the things. But what you have to get from them is
Mm-hmm.
what are the prime attributes, what are the non-prime attributes. Can we go
Mm-hmm.
with the candidate keys, alternate keys, or we only need to stick with your primary concepts? Okay. Or
Okay.
we can go with the surrogate key concepts. Now
Okay.
people like who are well versed, now they
Mm-hmm.
are talking more on the universal unique IDs and the graphical user unique IDs,
Okay.
GUID and EUIDs,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Informatica, we used to do that hash logic.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have all this information, doing a data modeling is not, it's not that much like a rocket science for us to do. It's very easy. The only thing is what all the attributes required for your modeling.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. You're right.
If you have that information,
Mm-hmm.
because we have a measure and we
Mm-hmm.
have a relation model.
Yeah.
Cardinality, you're asking. Even the
Yes.
measure also.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I if I am in your thing, right, I will not bring my measures, everything in the dimension table. I would
Okay.
directly get it into my bridge table.
Oh,
So
yeah. Yeah.
when I pick my customer, the customer entire information, measures and all the things will come directly with all
Mm-hmm.
your what we call uh, not the junk dimensions, but conformed dimensions and all the stuff, right? All this
Mm-hmm.
will be there only.
Okay. Yeah. Madhu, just one question is now I have created from this child table to grandchild table. Okay. Here, what is the cardinalities from grandchild table to the child table or child table to the grandchild table? Because
It
now
should
I've.
be, see, top to bottom, it would be one to many.
Uh-huh.
When bottom to top, it is many to one. For a parent, you can have multiple
So
children, right?
now in these two tables, I can say like these two tables, this is the child table and this is the grandchild table.
So yeah, your direction should go, yeah, you have to
Is it
go
is
upward
it very
direction.
is
Upward
it
direction.
is it wrong, right?
No, this is one to many, right? Child is here, for the child you have multiple this one.
No,
Down,
this is the.
down. For one parent, you can have multiple children.
I'm not sure about this one. I don't know because I did it. I don't know whether this is right or not.
No,
So that's
no.
what.
What I'm saying is for one parent, you can have multiple children. In this
Okay.
scenario, what you are
Mhm,
trying to do is you're
mhm.
doing in a reverse manner. For one child, you're showing parent number of parents. That is wrong.
Okay.
For one child, you can't have multiple parents, right?
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. One second.
See, the way you have shown, right, from right to left. Similarly,
Okay.
you have to do this.
Okay. So from year to I need to go year. That is the case.
From parent to child, you have to come, sir. Not from child to parent.
Okay. Parent to child, you have to come. That's what
Yes.
I did in that case. I did it. This is the parent. Okay. I uh, association. Yeah. Manufacturing site. Okay. Yeah. So here, parent is export certificate, the child is this one. Okay, here the parent is one to many, right? This
One to
one is
many.
okay. This is foreign key. Okay, yeah. Value. So, so, so my confusion is okay. So though we have connected from year to year, okay. So here you can see this is the parent, this is the child in these two cases. Correct, right,
Mm.
Madhu?
Right,
So
right.
see the coordinate how it goes like from year to year it went. But
Mm.
in this case, this is a parent and this is a child. Why the coordinate is in reverse way?
Mm. The cardinal is in reverse way because you have one to many relations here, right? Parent. See, what is
Mhm.
your bridge table? In bridge table, which column you brought now? Tell me, what
This
is
is our.
your fact table? Where in your fact table or the bridge table,
Mhm.
are you going to refer your grandchild ID or your parent ID or your grandfather ID?
I think we are referring the parent ID.
No, right? You should, because your fact talks about your grade,
Mhm.
which is at your child level,
Okay.
right? So what is the point of bringing your parent in your bridge table?
See, from here again, so manufacturing site is there, right? Under the
Hmm.
manufacturing site, we are going to bring the those addresses and all the
Right,
okay.
sir. See, right, sir. Radha. What I'm saying is, you
Mhm.
have a manufacturing company. Let's say,
Mhm.
talk an objective of a manufacturing company.
Yeah. Yes.
Manufacturing companies are located at different sites,
Yes. Yes.
right? It's a one to many, right? Site
Yeah.
one, site one in UK, site one in India, site two in
Mhm.
USA, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now it is one, two, three, right?
Mhm.
When I
Mhm.
do my granularity, I'm worried about India. You are
Mhm.
worried about UK. Someone are worried about US,
Mhm.
right? So when I filter my data should filter based on my grain,
Yes.
not on
Yes.
my parent.
That is true.
No, right? So in your base table, what should be? I should have my
Mhm.
manufacturing site ID rather than manufacturing ID.
Yeah, that's correct. Manufacturing site ID. That's what the site. This one.
Yes.
Manufacturing site ID. Yes.
So that should be your relation, which will be now in this case, what is happening for you?
Mhm.
You are directly linking your okay. What is the relation between this table and the down table? Tell me.
This table. This is the child table and this is the grandchild table. This is the
Come.
parent table. This is the child
This is
table.
a parent table. This is a come down. Can you scroll it down?
Yeah.
Now in this table, you see in this table you are saying this is a parent table. You are saying
Mhm.
left hand side one. You are saying it is export table is a parent table.
Yes.
Then why you want to have a child ID there in your parent table?
This one why you asking me, right?
See, PCI RA submission export certificate. That is
Okay.
a parent table. Let's
This is a
assume.
parent table. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
For
Yeah.
that parent table, you have certificate manufacturing site.
Yes.
Why would I need my child ID in my
Mhm.
parent table? I should have my parent ID in my child table, which means submission export certificate ID should be
Uh-huh.
there in my submission export certificate manufacturing site ID. You're doing right, vice versa.
No, 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 I will tell you why I'm doing this one. Why I'm telling this one. Okay. So as I say, so here in the certificate,
That becomes a Cartesian product.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is what my screen is. Okay. This is what the one currently I'm working now.
Hmm.
Okay. See, first one is checking the certificate. I did that. Okay. Organization is say, see what happens is when a customer select the a license number, a product license number, then that needs to fetch these details. Next details like
No,
a.
no. No, I understood the process flow. See, what you
Mhm.
are going to do, you are going to get your, based on your license number, you're going to retrieve the information. That is your
That's true. That is
first
true.
task, right?
Yeah,
To
yeah,
get
yeah.
your license number, what are the primary entities? You need to have an organization ID. You should have a manufacturing ID, right?
Yes, yes,
You
yes,
you are able to bring those two things, right?
yes.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
joining your manufacturing ID and organization ID will not
Mm-hmm.
suffice your requirement.
That's
There should
correct.
be a bridge table which
Mm-hmm.
will tell you, okay, for this license number, this is my manufacturing company and this is my organization chart,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yeah.
That that is the bridge table what you have created
Yes,
between
correct.
your
Main
manufacturer and your organization.
yes, you're right.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
now what you are doing? So you brought your manufacturing ID and your organization
This
ID.
is this
It
this is the main
ah
table. This is
in
the
this
main
no
fact
no I
table.
got it. In this
Okay.
fact table, in this
Mm-hmm.
fact table, this
Mm-hmm.
fact table you are linking with your parent table. For that
Yes.
parent table, you are having child table, right?
Mm-hmm.
My other way of telling you is,
Mm-hmm.
if you do this, what is
Mm-hmm.
your objective? When you are joining your parent table to your fact table, what is happening?
Mm-hmm.
You will get only parent, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you do in a vice versa, the bridge table, when you have a child ID, which
Mm-hmm.
is a manufacturing certificate site ID,
Mm-hmm.
automatically your parent will come. When your
Yes.
parent comes, your organization will also come.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
you create a relation between your manager. Instead of
Mm-hmm.
having this table here,
Mm-hmm.
move your down table to up and parent table to down and change the
Mm-hmm.
ID there.
Okay.
You got what I'm saying? Understood or should I
No,
put
no,
it
no.
in an Excel sheet and I'll give you?
Yeah, yeah. You can put it in Excel sheet and tell me.
1 second. 1 second. I'll just hold my hand. I'll come.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can I share the screen once?
Yeah, yeah. Please.
Let me share the screen. I'll just give you an overview, not on this model, whatever you have. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about the model. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say talk about this as a manufacturer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And
Yeah.
this is your organization.
Mm-hmm.
Organization, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
For these two tables, we brought one table called as
Manual arc.
org man, right?
Mm-hmm.
Org man you brought, right? For this man, then you what you are having is you are having a table called as this table.
Mm-hmm.
Man and professor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is your table, right? So the relation what you are trying to do, bring here is so what you are trying to do here is
Mm-hmm.
in this table you have a org ID,
Mm-hmm.
org ID, and you have manufacturing ID, if I'm not wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Manufacturing
Yeah, yeah.
ID, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here what you are trying to do is you are bringing a relation between these two, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What I'm saying is in this
Mm-hmm.
table,
Mm-hmm.
maintain your organization ID,
Mm-hmm.
maintain your
Manufacture.
manufacturing and set ID.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So then this is your favorite, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I do, what is happening here in this scenario?
So the man ID
So
will.
so this no need to do anything because my
Mhm.
manufacturing information is coming in this table.
Okay.
Got it? And my
Mm-hmm.
grain. So now
Mm-hmm.
let's say I give an example here. Organization one,
Mm-hmm.
manufacturing one, site
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
This is 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Again, I can have the same organization with
Mm-hmm.
manufacturing 2, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
It can be 1, 2, again 1. It can be 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or this will be 4. I mean, I just remember. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, when I look my data, when I look my data, when I write my
Mm-hmm.
SQL server or SQL query, what
Mm-hmm.
I can get it, I want to get this output. Agree? In your current scenario,
Mm-hmm.
what you are trying to do is you
Mm-hmm.
are trying to get this information.
Mm-hmm.
You are trying to get this information.
Mm-hmm.
So you are putting more effort on your query. Here
Yeah.
and here, this is one more table. So you are
Mm-hmm.
getting here, which is okay. But for this 1, 2, 3, what are the sites?
Mm-hmm.
This information will be
Mm-hmm.
missing out.
Okay. Okay.
For that reason, what I said is, if I bring
Mm-hmm.
this table,
Mm-hmm.
this is my bridge table.
Yeah.
This will have a relation.
Mm-hmm.
So my this table will get updated every time. I'm going to append the data here. So
Mm-hmm.
this table will have the information, right?
So which table will have all this information, that one, two, three, all the three columns, like 1, 2, 3, site information, manufacturer information, and org information.
No need of having. If you bring this column again, then it's a
Mm-hmm.
duplicate. No need to do this.
Okay.
The reason is because in this table only I'm having the manufacturing ID, right? Man ID is here. This is man
Mm-hmm.
certificate ID, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when I join this table with this table, I'm getting a
Mm-hmm.
man ID. I'm just
Yeah.
only getting the name, right? So
Yeah.
what I'm trying to populate my back table, this is my bridge table. This
Mm-hmm.
is the bridge table. What I'm going to load. This is
Mm-hmm.
the so the bridge table will be fact underscore org underscore manu underscore certificate.
Okay.
Sorry if I take your time, but this is the way.
Okay.
In your scenario, what is happening is you are getting only this information. Again, you are
Mhm.
trying to go down, or what you are doing, you are bringing this value also here. This is not at all required. This automatically will come. That's what I said. This model. You got it? Hope you're
Got it.
clear now.
Yeah. So just go back to mine in that one. Hmm. Yeah. Just
So,
yeah, yeah. At least I understand like what you are telling. Okay.
yeah.
Mm, yeah. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
Yeah. So here, so what we are doing is okay. So in the main model, we have a product.
Mm,
Okay, that
mm.
authorization. Okay, where what happens to this one? If you go here, okay. Uh, so what they will do? They will going to give the this address, and they will going to select the organization because it's already exist. They are going to type the product license number.
Mm.
That product license number as part of the um.
Okay.
If it-
I
let,
got the complete info. 1 second. 1 second. Let me share my screen. Okay.
Mhm.
I understood your complete logic of what you guys
One
are
one
trying
second,
to.
1 second. I will tell you this one. 1 second, I will tell you this one. Currently, in the main model, what they have done is they have gone through from manufacturing to the medicinal product. Okay. If I go back to 1 second, just I'm showing that one. Yeah. See what they are doing this. Okay. See again, I told you that submission item table. Okay.
Mm,
See, this is the main table. Submission table is the main table. It's in the export table as well.
mm,
From export submission table, they went to submission item, and then again they went to medicinal product table, and then they went to this product licensing table.
yeah,
Okay.
got it. So,
What they are suggesting is okay, for this one, for the export certificate, we no need to do so much activity.
mm,
You can skip this medicinal representable. Okay,
mm,
directly you can bring this one. What is that? uh this see, from medicinal table we have generated to the marketing authorization table.
mm,
We have a product IDs here. Okay,
mm,
in the marketing authorization.
mm,
Mm, like uh, that manufacturing, this one is here.
mm.
So from this you get the other details. That's what they are suggesting to us.
No, no, you got it. See, basically, what they want is
Mhm.
they want to simplify the model without having
Yes.
a more number of tables. They want to merge the tables into smaller chunks and then the data.
Yeah.
Okay, that is
Yeah.
what I observe, what I got it from you. Okay, the
Mhm.
only thing is before doing it,
Mhm.
what is the implication to do that is the challenging task. See,
Okay.
when you are doing a modeling, the first and the
Mhm.
foremost thing is we should talk about the data loss.
Yes. Yes.
If there
Yeah.
is a data loss, then we would not prefer to go with a model.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So, what is the objective? That's what I asked in the first beginning. What is your historical retention, data
Mhm.
retention, right? What are the
Yeah.
categories? What are the
Mhm.
cleansing activities? Data
Okay.
quality issues, right?
Mhm.
Based on these three, your entire model comes into picture. First thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when you talk about these entities, most of the
Mhm.
entities looks like a transactional entities, which means
Yes.
like
Yes.
more like a transactional entity. You
Yes.
have
You're right.
multiple transaction types, right? So your grain is already there at each level. Now, what you have to do, what we have to think is whether this transaction table can be one-to-one or one-to-many.
It's a one-to-many.
Not the relation.
Mm-hmm.
Can we go with only one bridge table or we can go with multiple bridge tables? Let's
We
say,
can go.
for example, customer and a transaction. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Transaction would be at my lower grade, right?
Yeah.
Customer ID will be in line with your transaction ID at a transaction level. Now
Yes.
someone comes and tells, no, I want my grain at my weekly level or at my monthly level. You'll go with an aggregation.
Yes.
Or someone will say, okay, we need only in a periodical snapshot. So it's a profiling.
Yeah.
So what we need to understand from these requirements is when you're doing a modeling, what are the different inclination which are in line with this particular model.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
what we do, we write as scenarios, active customer with active products, active
Yes.
customers with inactive products, active customers with seized products.
Okay.
Now,
Yes.
active, inactive, okay. Active anyway, I will migrate. Inactive, what is the threshold?
Okay.
Seized product, do I need to bring or not? So now in your model, what happens? Your product type or the product status, which are in active, inactive, and seized, will drill down to active and inactive only. Seized will not
Only
come.
active. Yes. You're right. Yeah.
So that type of questionnaires you should have. Then your models will be more appropriate and more accurate.
Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. So that's what I want. That kind of a thing, Madhu. Yeah, it's a nice discussion, Madhu. I'm happy to go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, what I want from you is, I'm very clear, brother. I mean, I got you. I understand your line of business. What is that you are going to do? The main objective of your modeling, see, model to modeler, there would be a lot of discussions. Okay.
That is true. That is true.
The way we project our model, the other can refuse it.
Yeah.
If he has more experience compared to us or has a more domain knowledge on the project, definitely we have to take his inputs and take it forward.
Yeah. There is a problem. That's correct. You're right.
Right? But there are certain things which we can also limit, saying that boss, this can be done, right? So for that cutoff, what we need is we need to have our user stories or the scenarios driven. Get your discussion, do a deep dive on your discussion, and then that requirement we can convert into a model.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
Right? So I don't want to tell you that I'll design a model and will give you straight away. But rather than that, we have to understand the model. We have to tell all the merits and demerits and then only come up with our solution. Solutioning is the key point here. And that solutioning should be agreed and accepted by everyone. And also suggest when they go for a modeling also, tell them these derived models should go in chunks of data, not at the bulk load, right? Let's say we
Yeah.
take some 10 customers with different scenarios, load the data and see how your report looks like. Then we can
Sure.
talk about it.
Yeah. That's
Because
fine,
I'm
Madhu.
doing the similar sort of work now with the UCO Bank.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
You are talking about more on the supplier management, supply chain management. I'm more on the banking side, right?
Banking side. Yeah.
Both, but the products customer, I'm more on the loan processing, loan details, all this thing, right? So
Okay.
definitely
Yeah.
I can support you, but these are the requirements. If you give me this requirement, clearly we can modeling. It will not be taking much time. Maybe
Yeah.
with all your list of tables, what I want is I want the list of tables. I want the key attributes or the key columns with all your Boolean types, right? Junk dimensions, all the stuff. Whether you're going to retain the historical data or not. If so, what is the date? What is the range?
No, there is no historical data here. Like, see here, like, say, let's say in this case, what we need to do here is, Madhu, straight away the requirement is straightforward. Okay, when you type the product license number, okay, so we have to assume that okay, if it is a product license number is wrong, it has to it will not give anything to you. It will say in the front end application, say product license number is wrong. So in the back side, it will go and search for the correct product license number.
Yeah, right. That is like that is a text message rather. See, if
Mhm.
you have that value, then only your front end will pop up.
That's true. That's true. That's
That
true.
is your at the application level what you are talking about. But
Yeah.
you are
Yeah.
at your data level, this
Mhm.
license number is nowhere related. This license number is mapped to a product. That product is
That's
mapped
true.
to a manufacturing company, which is mapped to an
That's correct.
organization.
That's correct.
I am
That is
looking
correct.
at that angle, not at this angle. This is the
Yeah.
front end.
Yes. 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 So I know like where exactly the PL number is exist, where exactly the product names are
Ah,
exist. These things I know.
so
Okay,
yeah,
where
so
exactly marketing authorization company order is exist. These things I know. Where which tables it is having those details. I know those things.
okay. Do you have do you have any security limitations, or can you share your the data so
Mm-hmm.
that because morning generally I leave the office by 10 and I'll come by 7:30, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah,
That's
7
like a because
it's not an
yeah,
issue.
because the problem is like I have to work in premises, client
Oh,
premises only. They will not allow the data to take out. They will
no,
not
no, no,
even
no.
issue the laptop.
No, no,
So
no.
if you
Mm-hmm.
have, if you don't have any security limitations or anything,
Mm-hmm.
if you share me the Excel sheet, I
No,
can
no,
tell you,
I can mimic the data. That's fine, not an issue.
yeah, I can tell you how many entities, what is the thing, and then we can take it forward. Not a problem.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Okay.
uh, but daily, whatever I do, I just do a brainstorming to you.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What all the activities, like line by line, I'll go. Okay, it may
Okay.
take 1.5 hours to
Mm-hmm.
explain you, right? Because you have to understand and then you have to represent it to the customer, right? You're the
Yes.
face
Yeah.
shower, right?
Yeah.
So that's how I want to do. So that is one thing. Or
Yeah.
if you want me to do a complete model,
No,
put
no,
it
no,
in
no.
a thing, and then if you want to do, okay, that's also fine. So you let
That
me
is not.
know.
We can do together. We can do together, Madhu. So
Yeah,
no need to do separately. We can do
yeah.
together. Okay.
So so you can start doing yourself. I can guide you what
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
do.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, right. So we can
Okay.
have some that limitation like how many hours we need to do all those
Yeah.
things, and then we can come up, right?
Sure.
So overall, this is what my exposure towards my
Mhm. Okay.
data side and other.
Okay.
And
So
mostly, yeah,
are you in Bangalore only?
I'm in Bangalore, but I will be traveling to Kolkata. Every week I will travel to Kolkata for 3 days, come back here. That's how I do.
Mhm. That's fine. That's fine. We can connect.
Yeah.
Okay.
And mostly from July 15th onwards, I will not be available because I will
Mhm.
be joining a client, Qatar Airways. So,
Below. What is that? I didn't understand last
no,
one.
from July 15th, I will be moving to
Ah,
some
okay.
other location to
Ah, okay.
abroad.
Qatar. Huh?
Qatar Airways, yeah. I got the project.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
you're moving to the Qatar or?
Yeah, yeah. Permanently, I will be moving.
Oh, that's nice, man. Very nice. Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Yeah, anyway, if you come to Qatar, it's much better. Okay, because the time difference is only 2 hours.
Yeah, because earlier I supported with Vodafone Qatar.
Mm-hmm.
Now Vachusa was acquiring
Oh, yeah,
Qatar.
yeah, yeah. Okay, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
Where are you?
Thank-
Okay, where are you in London?
I'm in
Milton,
UK.
Milton Keynes or?
No, no, no. I'm in Edinburgh.
Oh, okay. I'm there in Milton Keynes for 3 years.
Oh, is it? Oh, super.
Yeah,
That's nice.
with technology.
Oh, is it?
That
Actually,
beat
even
it.
our company as well, we provide the resources to Tech Mahindra. We're the empaneled to Tech Mahindra.
Okay, okay.
So I have my own limited company. So we are a staffing company as well.
Oh, you are staffing up there. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, actually, I'm a contractor. I work in the contracting as well. I have my own staffing company as well. I'm a director. My
Okay.
team works. Just I will guide them, not spend too much of time there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then.
Yeah.
Nice talking to you, rather
Yeah.
than.
Nice
Okay,
talking
sir.
to you,
I'll just follow with
Ganesh. Yeah.
Ganesh also, and then
Yeah.
you can
We
also
can.
coordinate and we'll talk. Okay, Ganesh?
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect.
Hmm.
I think he's an immute. I
Thank
will discuss him. Okay.
I think he. Okay, chalo. Thank you. Great day.